Hey y'all, it's Mary and Smudge, and I think Camille is on her way over too. I got some friend mail. Here is a nice big giant box. This is a medium-sized priority box. Friend mail, it's very heavy. I got this from Kim, from Kim's, I always want to, all right, hang on, from Hanging Out with Kim. This is from Hanging Out with Kim. And Kim is a dear friend of mine, and Kim won a giveaway from Brenda. Brenda's channel is called Bubbling Over with Scents by Brenda Summers. And Brenda does a lot of different videos. She sells Scentsy products. And so she shows us Scentsy products, and she also does Mask Monday, she does unboxing, she does Temu, she does pretty much what everybody else does. And she's just a lot of fun, and she's interesting. She's interesting to listen to. So go check her out. I'll have her below, and I'll have Kim's Hanging Out with Kim below as well. And let's see what's in here. Like I said, I got it cut open, and I've got a cat right here. So I was going to show you the top because there's some cute stickers on, but I use my little thing to erase the addresses, but it's a little sticky, so it did not work. Okay, right on the top, there's a card. Isn't that cute, the stickers? Cute, cute. And a kitty on the back. And Kim had said, let me look at this and then I'll get there. It's a beautiful card. Beautiful roses. I think they're mowing, somebody's mowing nearby. Hey Mary, I hope you enjoy these wax melts. Brenda was so generous that I had to share some. Enjoy the honey too. Love you, hun. Love, Kim. Just when I think they're done with the mowing and the noise, they start up again. So this is the beautiful card from Kim, and she made me one of her beautiful roses. Thank you, Kim, so much. And now Kim had told me basically what she was going to send me, but I didn't know how much how much there was going to be in here. It's heavy. I knew this was coming. Kim had gotten some honey, and I can't remember why she couldn't have it, but she can't have it. But it is Wetherspoon monofloral Manuka honey. Manuka honey, they say, is the very best, and that is from New Zealand. And I have had Manuka honey before. It is really wonderful, but I'm not sure why they say it's the best, but they say it's the best. But this one, it says K Factor 16, and that's a trademark, so I'm not sure what that really means. But it does say all of our K Factor Manuka honeys are raw and unpasteurized, non-GMO, project verified, produced and packed in New Zealand, and free of antibiotics and glyphosate, and traceable from hive to honey. So all natural, unpasteurized honey. So I'm excited to use that. I do like honey in tea, especially in the fall. But what Kim had opened one and tried it, and then I don't know, I can't remember what she told me that she couldn't have it. So let's see if Camille will allow me to open the package. Right on top is this beautiful rose. Now I know that Kim got this from Temu, because I've seen her Temu unboxings, and they're very beautiful. I have seen them on, well, I've seen Kim open it and a few other people open it. I'm not sure that I've seen it on Temu, but let me show you. It's wrapped very nicely in this, I thought it would, it probably does open nicely. I just have to, here we go. It's one of these bags that you can reseal. So a lot of noise there, but it's a beautiful rose, and it looks, you know, very bougie. It looks like gold and metal, and it's plastic, and the beautiful, you know, catches all the light. And they come in different colors, and they just, you know, it catches the light. It's very, very elegant and beautiful, and I'll probably put that in my cedar chest. I hope it would catch light up there. It's very beautiful. Yeah, I think you can look at how it's catching the light. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful. Thank you, Kim. That's beautiful. I've been wanting to look them up on Temu, but just haven't done it yet. All right, Camille. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness, y'all. There is some bubble wrap, and then thank you, Kim. Kim sent me these. I love these. These are dry shampoo, and great. This is perfect for when I travel, go to visit my family in Chicago, and I can also, you know, have one at work. So I use dry shampoo. I wash my hair I need to wash my hair every day, but my hairdresser doesn't want me to. So I wash it every other day, and I use dry shampoo in the meanwhile. And then, y'all, I'm excited. I'm excited. This is more than I could ever buy at a Scentsy party. Thank you so much, Brenda, and thank you so much, Kim, for sharing. And thank you, Brenda, for sharing. Wow. So, yeah, let's just get started, and I'll tell you the scents, and we'll smell them. This one, it looks like Kim shared some with me. It has a Christmas label on it. It says Vanilla Bean Buttercream. I've had this one before. Love it. I love Scentsy. I just want you to know it's one of my favorite things. It smells fabulous. It smells like you're baking. You know, I love the gourmand scents and the citrusy. Hey, Blue, did you come up to see us? And then this one is Mandarin Moon. Some of these I've had before, but I'm not sure. It does. Okay, you'll have to sit down. This is interesting. Okay. This one smells, of course, you've got mandarin orange in there. And then there's some spices going on. I love spice. I love, in the fall, I love to put a pot of boiling water on the stove with some spices in it. And that's what this, and you know, maybe a slice of orange or two. And that's what this smells like. So fabulous. I have Scentsy warmers all over my house. I have the plug-in style, and then I have, you know, the big kind too. Oh my goodness, y'all. Maple apple bourbon. Oh my goodness, that smells. I can smell all of that in there. The maple, the apple, and the bourbon. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so much fun. I don't know where to start. I'll probably start with something like this. This is lemon sorbet because it's summertime. Yeah, that'll be good for summer. Delicious. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Kim, and thank you so much, Brenda. Sugared strawberry. I have sugared strawberry. That's one of my favorites. It smells delightful. And you know, Scentsy, if y'all have never tried Scentsy before, you know, it started, when I first heard about it, it started with a home party. People, you know, have you to the house, and they'd show you some warmers, and they'd have all of these, they'd have little samples to smell. And I have Scentsy, I've had some of these containers I've had for years and years, and the scents don't go away. You use the cubes, you know, maybe put 2 in your warmer, 3, depending on how big your warmer is. And then when you want to swap out, you pour your wax back in here into the mold. And there's hardly any used. It can last for so long. This one is cinnamon buttercream. Oh, wow. Oh, goodness. You know, these are just, oh my goodness, delightful. Delightful, delightful. And Kim kept a lot for herself as well. This one is Squeeze the Day. I have had Squeeze the Day before. It's one of my favorites. Lemon. Delicious. Smells so good. Just make the house smell clean, you know, and lemony. Tropic Tango. Let's see. It does smell tropical, like tropical fruit. And we have tangerine and sugar cane. I love citrus. That's very nice too. Now this one, I did say to Kim, I wasn't sure if I'd like the scent so much, but I wanted it because it's a collector kind. It's Disney and it's Cinderella. My favorite character of Disney movies is Cinderella. And this says on it, Cinderella, Happily Ever After. Does it say the scent though? I think the scent is just called Happily Ever After. So look how pretty it's blue. And it's, I'm not sure, it's reminds me of spring. I want to say it's sort of like a linen scent, but also a little bit of some spring flowers. That's what it smells like to me. Clean, fresh, with some flowery linen going on. And this one is Clementine Cupcake. Look at how pretty the colors are too. Clementine. Oh, Clementine Cupcake. That smells like cake. I love that. I thought it was going to be more orangey, but it was more cakey. Johnny Appleseed. I think that's one of my favorites too. I love apple. It smells just like apples. So it'll be wonderful in September, October. Strawberry. And you know, sometimes it's nice to burn scents different times of the year. When, you know, do some lemon in December when you wouldn't expect it because it'll just, you know, perk you up a little bit. This one was the scent of the month. It is strawberry lemon cake. Oh, that smells good. Strawberry lemon cake. A pretty pink color. That smells, it's nice and light. Then we have apple press. Love apples. Smells like fresh apples. This one is BBMB, Bring Back My Bar Cutie Pie Cupcake. I'm not sure what that means, but cutie pie cupcake. It smells like cupcakes. Oh goodness, I love all the cake. I love all the cake ones. All right, this one is one of my favorites. I told Kim about this one, sea salt and avocado. I thought maybe she'd keep it because it's one of my favorites. And it smells like you're in a spa. That's exactly what this smells like you are in a spa. So, and then we have, oh, vanilla bourbon. I love that. They're all oily on top because it's really hot outside and they've been traveling in the heat for a couple of days and it's really hot outside. So but that will, you know, they're all like moist looking, but that'll go away. So that smells like you're cooking. Smells like you're cooking. Love that. A peeling apple. A peeling apple. Look at that pretty color. That's lovely. And then we have cucumber lime. I wasn't sure if I'd like that, but I thought I'd try it. Come on, like, you know, told Kim a couple that I liked. A couple, not a million. Oh, that is nice. So you can smell clearly your cucumber. You can smell clearly the lime. So that's a nice fresh scent, very fresh scent. And then we have this one. This is really pretty. It's different. Lemon drizzle cake. Look how pretty that label is. Lemon drizzle cake. That's real pretty too. Lemon drizzle cake. That smells good. It does. It smells like lemon cake. So I want to tell you a few things about Scentsy. Thank you so much, Kim. And thank you so much, Miss Brenda. This is incredible. Incredible. I can't believe it. Scentsy just is, oh, there's a few of these that are scents of the month. When you burn Scentsy, you know, if you use their containers, they have little light bulbs in them. And the wax does not get hot enough to burn. It melts and you can stick your finger in it. Of course it's hot, but it's not gonna burn your skin. So if, God forbid, your pet gets into it or a child gets into it, they're not going to burn. You know, it'll be hot because you don't want to be touching it, but it's not going to burn them. So it's a good thing if you like scents and you're afraid of burning candles, because a flame on a candle is a real fire, and that will burn your child. It will burn your pets. So this won't. So it's very, very nice. So thank you so much, Kim, and thank you so much, Brenda. You two are wonderful people, and I just love this stuff, and I'm so excited to get it. And I'm going to show you real quick a couple of my burners. Okay, this one I have in my bathroom. It has ocean waves on it, and it does have the avocado and sea salt in there. And what I love about this is, see how this goes into your plug. So it's very stable. It's stable. And then you turn it on, and then it warms up, and it's just really stable. And in my bathroom, I have a plug that's, you know, about the height of my bathroom counter. So it's very nice. And then in my kitchen also, I have a couple of plugs that are counter height. So this is another one of my favorite ones. Not sure what I have in there right now. This one is it's just gorgeous. It has gold. I love leaves and I love acorns. And this one is a nice fall one. Same thing, it plugs right into the wall. And I had a beautiful glass one that I broke. So, you know, I'm not good. Well, these are ceramic, but you know, and then this is, I have a couple of bigger ones, but this is my favorite one. This is my teapot. And you see it plugs in. I love this teapot. It's so beautiful. And there's the lid there. And then here is where your wax melts go. I think I have a vanilla cake kind of a one in there right now. So, and then there is your light bulb in there. So you can replace the light bulbs when you need to. It doesn't come up very often, but this plugs in, and then it has an on-off switch here. So that's my particular favorite. I do have several big ones. I have, you know, some for Christmas and that, you know, different times of the year and things like that. So that is my friend mail from Kim, hanging out with Kim, and also through Kim from Brenda. So thank you so much for coming by to see what I got y'all. And Brenda and Kim, I'll have them both in the description below. Go see them. I'm sure you know Kim, because I've been friends with Kim for a long time. Brenda is I've only known her for a few months, and you're really gonna like her. She's a sweet lady. So go see her. She's up in Canada, by the way. Go see her and tell her Mary sent you. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.